Hi everyone, welcome back to another 11 plus journey video. My name is Mohi from Singapore Maths Academy. Today we're going to be looking at a recipe question that involves some ratio and a bit of other things as well. So let's jump onto our iPad and figure this out together. So it says here 3 friends follow a recipe, and you can see the recipe is use 3 times as many raspberries as blackberries, and add 2 strawberries, right? So raspberries, 3 times as many raspberries as blackberries. So we've got blackberries. If we use this many blackberries, we're going to have 3 times as many raspberries, something like that. And for strawberries, we're just going to add 2. So no matter how many raspberries and blackberries we use, we're going to add 2 more strawberries. It says here Ria makes a smoothie using 9 blackberries. So we know this is 9, and therefore we're going to have 9, 18, 27 raspberries in this recipe. So we've got Ria uses 9 blackberries. How many raspberries does she use? We know there's 27 raspberries because we have 3 times as many raspberries as blackberries. So the next question, Amy makes a larger smoothie. She uses 50 pieces of fruit altogether. How many blackberries does she use? Okay, so we know all of the fruits, which are raspberries, blackberries, and strawberries, add up to 50 pieces. So that means all of this is 50. We know there's going to be 2 strawberries no matter what, so we can get rid of the 2 strawberries, and so we'll have 48 fruits made up of blackberries and raspberries. The question is, how many blackberries are there? We can see from this question, the way I've drawn it out using the bar model approach, we've got 3 parts for raspberries and 1 part for blackberries, and therefore those 4 parts altogether make 48. So I could do 48 divided by 4. 40 divided by 4 is 10, 48 is 2 more, that's going to be 12. So each of these parts are equal to 12. 12, 12, 12, 12, 36. 36 raspberries, 12 blackberries, that's 48, plus the 2 strawberries, that's 50, so it works out. So there'll be 12 blackberries. Hopefully you can see the benefit of using something so simple like a bar model approach for this question. The tricky part is this 2, understanding that no matter what happens, there's only 2 strawberries. Okay, if you can understand that part, then the bar model approach is very simple for this question, and I think it makes a lot of sense for everyone that has hopefully seen this. If it does, let us know in your comments, and let us know how we did with this video as well. Thank you so much. If you have any maths tuition needs, make sure you contact us early. So year 3, year 4 is good time, especially year 4 onwards. And of course, we support children that are not doing 11 plus, and also those who are in GCSE. So please contact us whether your child is in secondary or primary, and we'd love to support you. Take care, everyone. Bye.